Welcome to 2+0 Cooking, and we are making single serve poached salmon today. If you've never made single serve poached salmon before, then stick around. Hello, my name is Beef, and if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I make small, tasty recipes for me and my plus one out of our tiny apartment kitchen. Our recipes are small, easy on the budget, and easily scalable for more servings. So let's make this single serve poached salmon. Okay. Just had a little parlay with my plus one. She's enjoying those nachos, salsa, and a margarita. And actually, she's enjoying my margarita also. Well, actually, she's enjoying my second margarita. The first two went down pretty good. She's still complaining about the heat inside, so she said she'd rather stay outside. I put out the sunshade, should be okay. But she said, I don't want you turning on the stove. I gotta think. And she says, what are we having for dinner? And I said, we're gonna have salad. And she goes, I don't want salad. And I was thinking PB&J, that didn't, she didn't laugh when I said PB&J. She didn't laugh at all. So, this reminds me a lot of being in college. When our RA told us, you guys can't be smoking that stuff in your room. I'm going to write you guys up. And I go, I wasn't even here. I was in class. And he goes, it doesn't matter. And I go, is it okay if I cook in my dorm room? And he goes, no. And I go, can I use my microwave? And he goes, yeah. Make something nice and tasty in your dorm room using just the microwave. Let me see if I can do it from memory, because I used to have a Betty Crocker book and somehow it disappeared with all my notes and everything in it. But there was a dish. I think I could make that. I think I could do it on the fly. Let's try it. Whoa! Yeah, I can't use the stove, huh? She doesn't know who she's dealing with. You don't know what you're dealing with? Oh, well, that's okay. I'm doing fine. Love you. Later on, we'll sit down and, watch some Lifetime together. Yeah. Okay, I can't use the stove. Okay, let's get some of this. Oh yeah, and I still have those potatoes. Let's rinse this off. Okay. That way I can get some decent sleep. Yeah, this is looking good. Oops, okay. Yeah. White onion, we have some white onion in here. Lemon, this will come in. This is what I call my Mirepoix bag. My Mirepoix bag. Everybody should have a Mirepoix bag. Use this one with cookies. Season it up a little bit. Yeah, it's at room temperature. Put that salmon in there like that. Let me wash my hands. Let's get the salt. Let's put some of this sprigs on there. Let's toss these tomatoes on here. Celery. Oh, this is like bringing back memories of the old college days. In the dorm, and they said you can't cook in your room. Let's take a look at what we've got going. I got my salmon in there, skin side down. I've got cherry tomatoes, white onion, green onion, broccoli, cauliflower, cherry tomatoes, and carrots. And then I also have white wine, virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic powder on top. Okay, so let's see if I remember how it goes. Make a heart. Start folding it on the edge. And then on the end, you got this big old piece here. Twist it all up. Everything should hold together. It's nice and tight. Not too tight. Okay, that's about a little over an inch of salmon in there. So I'm figuring about, they said like 5 minutes for every inch. I must be a 1 hour type guy. Okay, no, I'm gonna put this in there for 6-7 minutes in the microwave. So I'm going to bring you guys along and show us our kitchen here. We're going over here to the microwave. 600. It's on high. Start. See, that's how bad my tripod is. It just like wobbles all over the place. Put the camera back into the sink. Yeah, you know what I'm doing right now? You can actually do this in your stove. And if you have a lot of people to cook for, it's a great way of making individual dinners for each one of them. Oh, it's smelling. I can smell it. Let's see. I got like another 45 seconds left. Ain't that the shit? Frickin' battery on my camera died and it couldn't put together the last couple of minutes. I just took this out of the microwave and it ran in there for the full 6 minutes on high. Cauliflower's cooked, the potatoes are nice and soft, broccoli's cooked. Yeah, the green beans are cooked, tomatoes, let's see that. Oh, that's good. Got a little piece of that lemon. So I cut it open. And then when I cut it open, all of a sudden the camera died. I had to go into back into our other room and switch cameras. Look at that. Let me taste this. It looks nice. Oh. That's good. Okay. Let's grab my Miraquat bag. Life is fighting me all the way. What I want is at the very bottom of the bag. There we go. 1, I don't know about you guys, but I call this mission accomplished. What do you say? Probably took 5 minutes of prep time, 5-6 minutes of cook time. If you're coming home late from work, everybody's in bed, and you want a really nice meal, and you want to get it done in like 10-12 minutes, try this. And it was all done in the microwave. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And it smells great too. Has that wine, everything going on in there. Yeah, I'll put Lifetime on. I'll be there in just a second. I'm gonna bring you your plate. Yeah, I made dinner. Yeah, I made chili. You like the chili in the can? I like messing with it. Adios, amigos. Thank you so much for watching this video on making single serve poached salmon. If you like this video, then please like us below. There are also links on the screen for other 2+0- cooking recipes. Remember to subscribe and you'll be notified new videos every week. As always, I have a summary of this recipe below in the description. And also please visit our website, 2+0-cooking.com. If you have any comments or ideas, then please post them below. We love hearing from our viewers and answering their questions. We also invite our viewers to share their ideas or recipes with each other in the comments section. Thank you for watching, looking forward to hearing from you, and see you soon. Be foul. As always, just because I'm done cooking after this recipe doesn't mean our kitchen is closed. The following images are for a future meal for me and my +1. Enjoy.